Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to use StayFocusd, a Chrome extension to make it easier for us to block websites and have focus time. So you have to install this on your Chrome, and it will also work with Edge or Chromium based web browser where you can install this extension. I'm going to leave it on the comment section below. Okay, so after you install it, you activate it, and then you'll be able to see these settings. So go to the block sites, and here you'll have a couple of options. Groups. So we already created one and named it the full block. It means this websites we cannot use it. So once you create the group, like which we did for blocked websites, we selected 0 hour and 0 minute. That means it is fully blocked. So let's add some websites here. Let's say it's bbc.com. Okay, and then we try to go to the bbc.com. You see, it's not loading. It's blocked. So you can add more websites under here, like let's say cnn.com. Sorry. Oh. And then let's go to cnn.com. Okay, I made a typo. You see, it is also blocked. However, let's say by the default one here, if you add websites, blocked websites, they are allowed to be used for 1 hour a day. So you can change here. Let's select you want 3 hours, like maybe you want 0 hours, and like let's select 10 minutes. Then you have to click Save Changes. So here, if you add a website, let's say example.com, you can visit this website, but for like 10 minutes. I already used like 46 seconds on that website, so that's why it says like sorry, 30 I don't know, do the math. It says like 9 minutes and 24 seconds. 36 seconds been spent already. You can also create new groups, let's say social sites. So then you add the facebook.com, instagram.com, like other ones, and then select save group. And then here you'll see this option, the blocked one, like the name is social sites. So in total, let's select you want to allow yourself to use only 30 minutes of Facebook or Instagram per day. So when you go to Facebook, it will start counting. Sorry, we have to go here, and like you will be able to in total use 30 minutes of Facebook and Instagram. So you see, like it's the time left started showing, and see, like it's counting in real time. And this is super easy, and there are many other options here. The nuclear option here is like bulletproof, like if you want to forget rules and start something new, you can do that. But I think this is quite good. The groups, the block websites, if you manage it this way, it's super easy to manage. And like you will also have data about on the dashboard, like which website is taking time, where you are going. It's super easy and it's free. And if you want to install it on the whole website, sorry, whole laptop or desktop, you'll have to download their desktop app, which is available for free too at the moment. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.